Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle.
So this is the vehicle in question. This is our approved used Audi A3 Saloon Sport 30 TFSI. This particular example is also finished in the Manhattan grey paintwork, and does also have the S-tronic gearbox. Moving on now to the recent service history of the A3, this particular vehicle did have a new car PDI check on the 28th of the 4th 23. It has recently had a used car MPC here at Stafford Audi on the 4th of the 12th 23. Moving on now to the exterior key features of this vehicle, where we do find the gorgeous LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the wheels now, where we do find these 5 split spoke satin aluminium alloy wheels, and they do really complement that lovely Manhattan grey paintwork. Moving into the rear boot capacity now of the A3 Saloon, where we do find up to 425 litres of storage capacity, which is a large amount for a saloon vehicle of this size, and this can take one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, where we do find a full leather interior with the additional leather centre armrest, which just fold down to present 2 useful cup holders. There are ISOFIX points neatly located across the back row. The aluminium trims do carry on into the rear of the cabin, where there's more than enough leg space to carry 3 occupants comfortably. Then moving into the front, where we do find a very well designed and modern cabin with a large amount of leather as well as that satin aluminium interior trim. This being the sport specification does also mean that there are sporty touches inside the interior, such as the 2 front seats, which do have a sporty design with the tram lines running downwards. Moving now and looking towards the driver's view of the vehicle, where we do find this fantastic round leather steering wheel, which does have those lovely gloss black inserts, as well as the Audi rings in the centre. Above now we do find the virtual cockpit, which has featured those 2 digital rev counters. Behind that we do also have the navigation. Just below the steering wheel now, we do find the speed limiter assist, as well as the adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for those longer motorway journeys. And now looking towards the centre of the dashboard, where we do find this very impressive touchscreen display, in which is also featured the satellite navigation, which is perfect for getting to A to B with route guidance. Moving just below this now, we do also find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control. It's very easily adjustable, simply pull up and down on the tabs to adjust. Moving further down from this now, we do also find 2 useful cup holders for the front occupants, as well as a 12-volt socket.
So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.